Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to remove Bing set icon from the Microsoft Edge web browser in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me open the Microsoft Edge web browser. So you can see here on the right top corner, you can see one Bing set icon. So if you find this icon as annoying, then you might be thinking how I can remove it, right? So here I will show you two ways how you can remove or disable this Bing set icon from your Microsoft Edge web browser. So the first trick is, what you need to do is just click on this three dot icons and just go to the settings, and now you can see here system and performance, right? So just click on it, and now what you need to do is, you can see here startup boost, just disable it, and now you can just minimize it. And now what you need to do is just right mouse click and just right mouse click again and just click on this properties, and now you can see the target, right? So just after this complete name, you need to add some names. Just type dash dash disable dash features equal to ms capital U under site capital B U double T O N button. Now you need to add this name just after the last name by giving a space here, and type this dash dash disable dash features equal to ms under site button, and after that just click on apply, click on OK. So now let us reopen the Microsoft Edge web browser. So finally you can see the Bing set icon is being removed or disabled from the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this is the first method. So for the second method to remove this Bing set icon from the Microsoft Edge browser, is what you need to do is that on your computer keyboard just press Win plus R to open the run program, and on the run program just type this command reset it and click OK or hit enter. Now you can see here one folder name H key local machine. Just click on it and just click on this left arrow icon, and now just select this software, and once again click on this left arrow icon, and now here just select the policies, and once again click on this left arrow icon and just select this Microsoft, and now just right click on it and select this new and select this key and give a name H and hit enter. And now on the right side just right mouse click, select the new and create one dword 32 value, and just give a name hubs sidebar enabled. Just type this name hubs sidebar enabled and hit enter, and now just double left click on it and check if this value data is 0 or not. If it is 1, then just make it 0, and after that click on OK, and now you can close this registry editor. And now let us reopen the Microsoft Edge web browser, and finally you can see the Bing set icon is being removed from the Microsoft Edge web browser. So using these two methods, you can easily remove Bing set icon from the Microsoft Edge web browser in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.